Picture biting into a burger that wasn't raised on a farm but meticulously grown in a lab. It looks like meat, tastes like meat, and could revolutionize food sustainability. But when it comes to nutrition, particularly heme iron, can lab-grown meat truly measure up? Heme iron is a vital nutrient, and its presence in real meat provides a unique advantage. Exploring the differences between traditional meat and lab-grown alternatives reveals what we're actually putting on our plates and whether lab-grown meat can match the nutritional complexity of its counterpart. Heme iron, found in animal products, is essential for several reasons. It has high bioavailability, meaning it is absorbed more efficiently by the body than non-heme iron, which comes from plant sources. Even small amounts of heme iron can meet dietary needs effectively. Iron plays a crucial role in producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, conditions like anemia, fatigue, and weakened immunity can arise. This bioavailability and its integral role in bodily functions make heme iron a standout benefit of real meat. Lab-grown meat is created through a fascinating process of cell culturing. Animal cells are grown in a controlled environment, supported by a nutrient-rich culture medium. The focus is primarily on replicating muscle tissue to mimic traditional meat's texture and structure. However, lab-grown meat often lacks the natural components found in real meat, such as connective tissues and bone marrow, which contribute to its nutritional profile. While the technology can replicate protein, ensuring the presence and functionality of heme iron is a more complex challenge. Scientists are exploring ways to incorporate heme iron into lab-grown meat, but it's far from straightforward. Fortification techniques can add heme iron artificially, yet ensuring it is as bioavailable as the naturally occurring heme iron in real meat is a significant hurdle. Even when heme iron is added, integrating it into the meat's matrix so it interacts effectively with other nutrients is another challenge. Natural meat provides a supportive environment for heme iron, enhancing absorption and utility. Recreating this intricate network in a lab-grown product is no simple feat. Bioavailability is the key test for whether lab-grown meat can deliver heme iron as effectively as traditional meat. Natural heme iron has the advantage of being readily absorbed by the body without requiring additional nutrients like vitamin C to aid the process. In contrast, fortified iron in lab-grown meat may not achieve the same absorption rates, especially if it lacks the natural cofactors found in real meat. This raises concerns about potential nutritional gaps in lab-grown alternatives, even if the iron content appears sufficient on paper. The history of fortified foods provides valuable insights into the challenges of nutrient integration. For example, calcium supplements have been linked to heart issues when not balanced with magnesium and vitamin D. Similarly, isolated vitamins and minerals can cause imbalances or adverse effects when consumed without their natural counterparts. These lessons highlight the complexity of fortifying lab-grown meat with nutrients like heme iron and underscore the importance of considering the broader nutrient profile. One of the most significant challenges in fortifying lab-grown meat lies in replicating nutrient synergy. Traditional meat naturally combines complementary nutrients like zinc and B vitamins, which work together to aid iron absorption and utilization. Lab-grown meat, on the other hand, may lack these essential cofactors, reducing the effectiveness of added nutrients. Without these interactions, even a well-fortified product might not provide the same nutritional benefits as natural meat, leaving consumers with a less effective alternative. For consumers, the potential nutritional gaps in lab-grown meat raise important questions. While lab-grown meat can be fortified with essential nutrients, its bioavailability and effectiveness may not match those of real meat. Safety is another concern, as excessive nutrient fortification can lead to imbalances or side effects. For instance, iron overload from supplements or fortified foods can cause conditions like hemochromatosis, posing a risk to long-term health. Balancing the environmental and ethical benefits of lab-grown meat with its potential nutritional shortcomings is a decision consumers will need to consider carefully. Lab-grown meat represents an exciting leap forward in sustainable food production and ethical eating. Yet, replicating the nutritional complexity of traditional meat, particularly with nutrients like heme iron, remains a significant challenge. Matching the bioavailability, nutrient synergy, and overall nutritional profile of real meat requires further scientific advancements. Until then, Real, whole meat continues to offer unparalleled nutritional benefits that lab-grown alternatives can't yet fully replicate. The road ahead for lab-grown meat is promising, but the journey to match nature's design is far from over. Thank you for watching. If this discussion sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation about the future of food and nutrition. Together, we can explore how science and innovation are shaping the way we eat.